This is balloon equation example. We're given coordinates, and based on these coordinates, what we're going to do, we're going to use Desmos to get the equation that we need. Some things will stick out later, which I'll explain. But for right now, we're just going to go into Desmos, and we're going to choose table. You can type the word table, or you can hit the plus symbol right here. It gives you the same thing. And the coordinates, let's see, I got -4 and 7, 0 and 5, and it was 4 and 3. So those are the coordinates that I have. And we're going to go down here. We're going to use that equation that we love so much, that y1 tilde mx1 plus b. And when we do that, we end up with an m of -0.5 and a b of 5. So here we can tell it's a negative slope because the bird is crashing Angry Birds, and b is 5 where it's crossing the y-axis. So we just need one that has -0.5 and 5. So a wheelchair ramp. So when I look at it, a is no good because it is negative, but the intercept is -5. So it would be down here. B, the intercept is 5, but this is -2. -2 would be a mountain. And C is -1/2. This is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. So this one matches, has to be C, and D doesn't match because D is a positive slope. So the answer to this one would be C, based on the information we got, because the M was -0.5 and the B was +5. Here's a second example of it. We're going to use the same technique, but I can actually narrow it down by looking at where it crosses the y-axis. And this one's crossing the y-axis in positive territory. So that means this intercept should be positive. So this is negative and this is negative. So A and D are no good. So then I have to look at the fractions or the slope. So this slope says it looks like a wheelchair ramp because it's small over big. And this slope says it looks like a mountain because this is really 4/1. So I'm going to look at this. Does it look like a wheelchair ramp or a mountain? Well, the most obvious thing is this is a wheelchair ramp. The answer here would be B.